Hi, it's Miss Jones here. Now that we know what tools we need for hand sewing, our next step is the fun part. What's in the bag? For this project, we will be using one of the cartoon pillow kits from Start to Sew. There's a link in the description below that shows where these can be purchased if you don't already have one. Turn the bag over and open it carefully by removing the two stickers. This is a zipper bag that you can keep all your pieces in. If it tears, you will need to find something else so you can keep everything together to complete your project. First, let's take a look at the papers. You should have a guide sheet. That's what we call the set of instructions for a sewing project. The other one is the pattern. We'll be using this to cut out all of the pieces accurately. We're going to talk about both of these in later lessons, but don't lose them. They are both very important. There should be some embroidery floss. This is the stuff that's used to make friendship bracelets. We can use this to attach the felt pieces onto the pillow, but you might want to use thread colors from your kit or ones that you have at home that match the felt. That way your stitches will be more invisible. The embroidery floss should be used for outlining the pieces. The spools of thread will be used to sew your big woven pieces together later by hand or by machine if you have one available. Either will work. There should also be a little packet with an embroidery needle in it. An embroidery needle is different from other hand sewing needles because it has a big eye. The big eye makes it easier to thread the needle. Don't lose it. There should be a few pieces of felt. These will be used for the add-on pieces to decorate your pillow. Finally, there should be a bigger piece of woven fabric that will become the body of the pillow. And that's it. You'll be the one to turn all of these items into your cartoon pillow. I'm going to make the pizza slice. Yum!